Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Yes, sir.
What are you going to tell me about today?
The kittens.
Kittens? What kittens?
Over there. Hi, Steve. So they're holding their turtle.
How old are they? How old are they, Alyssa?
It's okay. 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 It's okay.
Which one's yours?
The other one.
Which one?
I don't know which one.
The black and white one is yours?
No.
Whose is the black and white one? Whose is it, though? Is it mine?
No, it's Kelly's.
Oh, yeah, huh.
That's no kitty. I found him.
There she is! Say, this is my kitty. Whose kitty is that, Alyssa?
Mine.
And she gave birth to them? Careful there, Alyssa. People on YouTube might think you're doing animal cruelty. Oh my God! What are you... Just let it go. You okay?
Mhm. Mommy.
What do you think they're saying, Alyssa?
Mommy.
Is that all they're saying?
Mhm.
They're just going, Mommy, Mommy! Which is your favorite kitty?
That one.
This one?
Oh, see. Oh, I see, Frank. Oh, I see.